When my daughter was having her therapy, I asked the therapist about what I could do to help. She was really helpful, and she actually invited me in to have our own session, and that was really helpful in me understanding how Emma had these dark thoughts and how I was supposed to help her start thinking for herself. Emma would be feeling a little low, and I would ask her what was wrong, and she said, oh well, I'll text my friend and she's not text me back. And she'd have these thoughts that effectively she'd jump to the conclusion that her friends didn't like her. I would help Emma to recognise that there's a different way of thinking about why her friend hadn't texted her back. The battery was dead on her phone, or a friend was busy. The more often we did it, the more often Emma would start to lift herself out of those thoughts herself. And that would help her think in a different way.